Privatisation policies transfer ownership from the government to the private sector. But is the market better at allocating resources, improving efficiency and overall welfare? What about the relationship between privatisation and increased neglect, even fatalities, in detention centres, in care homes and on the railways? How have the conflicts over privatisation generated claims to remunicipalise the provision of essential services? On the 20th of June, the Open University Economics Seminar Series will host David Hall, visiting professor in the Business School, University of Greenwich, Rosie Collington from University College London's Institute for Innovation and Public Purpose, and Anne Lestrade, former Deputy Mayor of Paris in charge of water, sanitisation and canals. Join us online on Tuesday 20th of June at 12 noon until 1:30 p.m. for this free event hosted by the Open University Economics Department.